welcome to my channel again. So what we're gonna do today is we are going to decorate some 4th of July cookies because 4th of July is coming up in just like next week, in a week. 4th of July is here in a week. So I wanted to decorate some cookies. I love decorating, I love baking. I love doing this kind of stuff and I don't give myself the time to do it normally. And I did this time and I'm really glad that I did. It's a lot of work, but it's fun. So I have a lot of cookies here. I just cut out a bunch of sugar cookies. But you can use any sugar cookie recipe that you like.
They're so good. Just so you know, my mom makes cookies.
Oh, thank you. That's very sweet. So I got this recipe on Pinterest. I'm going to leave the links below. It's just a really good sugar cookie cutout recipe. And we're going to decorate USA cookies. So I'm going to do the U in the blue with the stars, and then the S and the A are going to be red with white stripes. And I just to make the American flag, and I just really thought that was fun. I saw that as an idea on Pinterest. You guys, I'm obsessed with Pinterest. And then I have a bunch of stars that I've cut out, and I thought we could do red, white, and blue. We could do the American flag again if we wanted. I have an idea to do like fireworks. It's a really cool technique. This is just a fun, easy way to decorate some cookies, make it festive. You can make them days ahead of time, frost them, let the frosting harden because I'm using royal icing, and they'll last for days. So you can make it ahead of time and just bring it on the day. So I've pre-made everything, that way everything's cooled off, everything's already colored and dyed and sorted. That way I can just jump into decorating today. And then it says to leave them for about 24 hours overnight or something like that on the counter to harden completely, and then you're good to go. That way they set nicely so that you don't like push into it and it like there's an indent. You know, we want it to be a hard, solid, decorated cookie. That way you can pack them well, stack them on top of each other, and they won't mess up the other cookies, which would not be good.
No.
That
would not be good.
That would not be good. I have decorating bags right here. I'm gonna do the Wilton number 3 tip. That's good for piping and flooding because the piping isn't crazy extreme and the flooding is really soft.
Yes.
And flooding, so piping, I'm gonna pipe around the outside of the cookie or the outline, whatever it is that I'm trying to decorate. And then flooding is where I just fill the rest of it in with a bunch of icing. And I have a bunch of couplers here that I'm going to use with the piping bags. I don't know where my brain is.
Tonight.
I don't know where my brain is tonight. So couplers, piping tips, piping bags, cookies, any icing that you want, but I'm using royal icing. It sets really well, it hardens nicely, that way it doesn't run onto each other. You can stack them up. They won't mess up. This will be fun. I've done this before, but not a ton, so I'm not a pro. I don't know 100% like what I'm like doing. I'm not like a professional cookie decorator, but I do love to do it and it's just fun. So let's get started. I have all of my colors and all of my piping royal icing ready to go in their piping bags. I have paper towels on the bottoms to keep them from the tips drying out. I caught that little tip on Pinterest. Seriously, Pinterest is my go-to for everything. I love Pinterest. I put the flooding icing in these little guys. I didn't want to have to waste an entire piping bag. Plus, when they're upside down like that, it's liquidy enough that I didn't want it oozing out while it was waiting there. So I decided to put it in these, and off we go. Just go straight into flooding them, and then we'll stick the stars inside because I have star sprinkles. Here we go. So this is what they look like. Let me zoom in. Okay, now I've prepped for the S's and the A's now for USA, and I'm going to do all of them red. Now that I'm letting my S's and A's dry, my U's are, I mean, they're still tacky, but they're dry and they're good. I'm going to do a flag on a star. I'm running low on battery. My battery is not very good, you guys, so I'm just trying to get as much as I can in this video before the battery dies. So here we go. Got it. So now I'm going to fill in everything. I probably should wait to let it set, actually. I'm gonna let it set for a minute and then I'll flood it. I've let the S's set for a little bit, so now I'm going to put the white stripes on them, and then my USA cookies are going to be done, and I'm so excited. My battery on my camera just died, and now I have to use my phone. And voila! That's it. Let me show you. Yay! I love how these turned out. So I've got my USA cookie and my Star American flag cookie. How fun! Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know what you guys are doing for the 4th of July. Stay safe, have fun. If you guys make any 4th of July treats, send me some pictures. I would love to see them. And if you guys have any other creative ideas for holiday stuff, especially for the summer. Sometimes I lose sight of the fact that the summer is fun because I love the fall and winter season so much. I just wait all year for Christmas, basically. Christmas is like my all-time favorite. And I lose sight of the summer. I lose sight of how fun and festive and colorful it is. Even though it's hot here in Arizona where we live, we still can make it fun and make the most of it. So I am having a blast doing this. We're gonna have fun next week. Let me know what you guys do for the 4th of July. If you guys have any traditions. Thank you guys for watching so much. This is so much fun. I'm having a blast doing this. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next Friday at my next video. Bye.